Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily create API keys in Google AI Studio. Let's begin. First, open up your favorite browser. I have Chrome. From here, go to the official website. You can look up for Google AI Studio. Click on this very first link or this one. Then just go ahead, click on Get Started. Here from the left panel, you will notice an option to click on Get API Key. Click that option and then create API key. Then just simply give your API key a name or reference. For example, I'll just name this Gemini API key number two. Number one, and then choose an important project. You can click on this drop down. You can select any important projects you currently have on your drive or create a new project right now. So I'm going to choose this. Click on create key. Just wait for a few seconds to a minute. And there you go. You can simply copy this key, double check every information you have in here. Click on copy or delete key if you made some mistakes. So go ahead, click on copy key. You can now close this option. From here, you can easily inspect everything from key, project, when this was created, and the billings here. You can also rename this. And if we're going to click on this, it will display everything just like earlier. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.